Hello, welcome back to Pinoy Crypto. How are your portfolio doing? Everyone's saying this is the bottom, and some are saying we have to go down more, like say 13k on the BTC, and some are even saying about 10k BTC. So we don't really know if this is the bottom or it could go down more. However, if you're an investor, I guess this is the time to accumulate. I was at work the other day and I was looking at the charts of crypto, and some of my workmates saw me doing it. They asked me if I'm in crypto or if I'm invested into it. And I said, yes, of course I am. And I said, this is the time to go in. And they laughed at me. They said, but BTC is crashing down. So I said it again. I said, well, that means this is the time to go in. And then one mentioned that one of his friend put in $1,000 and he lost it all. And they just laughed at it. So instead of arguing it or saying something about it, I guess they're not really keen of learning it. I was just thinking on the back of my head, why do you brush something off straight away without doing a research on it? I bet you some of those guys were actually want to know more, but just because the comment of one person, the other people or the other guys in there wasn't given an opportunity of an explanation. And I think because maybe they're ashamed or don't want to be laughed at by this person, they didn't want to ask anymore. This is why some people miss out on good opportunities by not doing a good research before saying it's rubbish. Anyway, I wasn't going to give them a advice anyway, because obviously we don't give out financial advice, especially if it involves their own money for investing, if they want to invest. But I could have given them some pointers or more information, what to look for and things like that. And of course, I share to them what I'm doing. I guess the people that watching my channel are already done their research on crypto or still doing their research and want to get some more information out of it. Some people say bear market is a bad market, or they don't like bear market much because their portfolios are down. It's not always like that. Obviously your investment is going to be down, but also it will give you the opportunity to put some more in, or even make money out of projects that's falling apart, like what happened to FTX. When FTX was having trouble and starting to fall apart, I actually messaged one of my workmates and I mentioned to him I was following the FTX debacle and I was going to short the token that night, but I got scared or I got chickened out, so I didn't. But I told him that if the token's gonna go to $18 or above, I'll probably just short the hell out of it. And he did reply to me that unfortunately he's not touching that anymore. Maybe something happened to his investment or something happened to his trading or something else. That's why he stopped looking into cryptos at the moment. But he did say that I do like my gambling. So actually, I don't really gamble that much. I think you need to look at the current situation so that your odds will be more when you're doing like futures or derivatives. So anyway, that FTX was obviously kept going down, and that's how you make money as well, by going into trading and shorting tokens that you know that's going to go down. You don't have to do some technical analysis because some people can't read charts. For me, I do read charts every now and then, but I think I am too emotional to do a trading. That's why what I do is just, if I knew or if I know that the token or the project is falling apart, obviously you know that everyone will let go of the coin or token. So instead of buying it when it is going to be very low, I think you better off shorting it. And a lot of people done that, and I think a lot of people made money from it because they see this is sure thing. So that's how you make money on the bear market. And also, if the project is very good, like say Solana, I think Solana is going to get dragged down with the FTX issues or collapse, because I think FTX hold a lot of Solana tokens, and if they're going to sell that, that means it will put a very high sell pressure on the price of Solana. When that reaches all the way to the bottom, some people see $6, $4, or even $2. I think that's the time where you start to accumulate, or for me anyway. When it reaches $6, maybe buy some more. $4, keep buying. And $2, definitely keep buying, because you know that Solana is a good project and there's a lot of projects that being built on top of it. So if you know that a project is good because it is dragged by other projects, not their own fault, it's just because of other issues, then you know that it will recover eventually. So if you're here on my channel to learn anything about investing in crypto, stick around, because definitely you will be learning from my experiences, all the research that we're doing on the tokens, and even a few tradings. I'm not saying I'm a professional investor and a trader. I am like everyone else, a retail trader or a retail investor. So it's nice to share my experiences to everyone, so everyone can learn from it, or maybe get some useful tips as well on investing in crypto. A lot of people, or the new investors that just joined crypto, and when they put in, they see that the coin that they put in is going down, and they get scared and take it off. And then when they see it's going back up again, they say it's alive again, they're gonna put in again at a higher price. I guess when you keep doing that, all your capital will be gone. You have to do your research as well, but just because the coin that you put in went down, it doesn't mean that it will just be down forever, especially if you know that the token that you put in have a good potential and it's a solid project, and you know that the highest is way higher than the price that you bought in. I think it's becoming a meme sometimes when you see these people complaining, oh, every time I'm buying the dip, keep on dipping, I just keep buying the dip. I think that's just the answer to that. Just keep buying the dip. If you have the money to do so, I guess that's what I'll be doing. I'll just keep buying the dip. Or I think that's what you call it, a dollar cost averaging. Well, not exactly, because the dollar cost averaging is you keep buying the token even if the token's price gone up. But I think for me, if the token that I put in is down and I think it's a good time to buy in, then I'll go in. And if it's keep going down, I think I'll just keep buying in. That's my strategy anyway, especially if that token is getting staked or getting on a liquidity pool and earning some passive income. So while it's being staked, it's generating tokens as well. So that means your token is growing. And when the price goes up, that means you have more token to sell, or you can leave it there and there's more token for you to stake. So that's my take on this bear market. FTX might be bad, but their collapse is good for the industry because at least the bad actors are gone. It probably dragged down the price of our tokens, our investment, but it also gave opportunities to us or other investors to put in. That's why I hope you guys are doing your research and trying to see if you really want to be in it. I guess it's a good time to be in it, and then just wait for the bull market. And then when the bull market comes, at least you know that you're in it. You're not one of the people that rushing to go in and getting FOMO. So just once you put in, I guess just sit back and relax, and let's see how the market goes, and hopefully we go to a bull market sooner than later. You might say it's going to go sideways for a while, but hey, what do we care? As long as we're in it, we're just waiting for our investment to grow, and when the bull market comes, we reap what we sow. That's about it for me for now. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, just click the like button, and if you haven't subscribed, just subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so you will get notified when I'm going to put another video. And until next time.